Hello, this is Lucas. Welcome to another CSS video. In this video I'm going to show you how we can create a basic navigation bar for use to use. So in order to do this, we're going to need to create ourselves an unordered list. Then I'll just close that straight away. Now we have to just pass in a few elements. I'm just going to create, let's say we'll create 4. So then, yeah, we got the first list element. Then I'm going to create a link to this. The reason why I'm doing this is if any use, if anyone else is using this navigation bar, no, it will still work for them. So we're going to create one that's home, then close that link, and then close the element like this. And then I'm going to create a couple more. Ooh. This, and then we just rename these. So we'll go with like news. Then we have to change this as well. News. We'll go with contact. Then we go with profile or something. Profile, and then we'll go another one, contact. So what's going to happen here is if you click any of these links, and if you have another web page that is named home or news or contact or profile, it will redirect you to that page. So how does it look like so far? So all we have is just an unordered list like this. Right. So now we actually have to add the CSS to this to make it look good. So the first thing we need to do is we need to change the unordered list. So the first thing is we need to do list style type none. This will just remove the bullet points. I'm going to set the, we don't need to do the margin or the padding. Actually we do, because there is a default to that. So we need to set the margin to 0 and the padding to 0, because by default whenever you create a list, automatically it's assigned a certain margin and certain padding, so we just got to reset that to 0 if you don't want that. And then we will do overflow, and we will hide that. And then the last thing we'll do is we'll just change the background color, and I'll change it to 333. So far we have something that looks like this. Yeah, it looks great. I know. Right. Next, let's change the li, so just every single list element, and we'll just float this to left. So let's see how that looks like. Boom. So we just have a row. You can't see anything because the text is now a color, so we should probably change that now. So let's do li a. A is just targeting our links. So firstly I'm going to display this in a block. The color, I want this to be the color of the text. Let's do hashtag FF, which is just white. Let's do text align. We can do center, so that they're just centered. We will add a bit of padding, because if you look at it at the moment, it's very, it's very claustrophobic here. So we do need to add a bit of padding. We'll add 14 to the top and bottom, and then actually I want to add it to the sides as well. And we'll add, I don't know, we'll do like 16. And then we'll do text decoration none, because we do not want an underline on our links. And now what we can do, we can go back, and this is how it looks like already. Look at that, it looks way better already. Okay, a couple of things that I guess I want to do. I guess if we hover over it, so we go li a hover. We can change how it looks like when we hover over this, so we'll just do like the background color of it, and we'll just change this to like 111. Now if we go back to our page, refresh this, and this is how it looks like. We just darken it whenever we hover over it, and that's about it. Obviously you can add a lot more stuff to it, but that's about it for this video. So hope this video helped, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.